What movie director played the Cook County Assessor's office clerk in the film The Blues Brothers?
Pass.
In 1992, Hurricane Andrew caused an estimated $30 billion in damage to what state?
Oh. And Andrew. North Carolina.
What metal is the Statue of Liberty's visible surface made of?
Copper.
Which team has already punched their ticket to the World Series?
The Yankees.
Alan Shepard was the first American to what?
Walk on the Moon.
What movie director played the Cook County Assessor's office clerk in the film The Blues Brothers?
James Cameron. I don't know.
Time.
That was awful.
You don't know that.
I know that.
Yeah, you're right.
I like your spirit, though.
Thank you.
But we'll
All
see
right.
how Joe does.
Yeah. We'll wave him
He's
back
on a
in.
3-winning streak. Ugh.
But that's the best of his life. I mean, the only time he's had that many wins in a row was 4, and it was a Kit Kat bar that he got to eat the whole thing. Steve, will you yell at him? He's gone from eyesight.
By the way, I'm so irritated with you about question 1. Why couldn't I have had that?
Oh, I'm like, what's your problem? Why?
Only because of that.
Hi, Joe.
Hey, guys.
Hey, Joe.
Hey.
Joe, Stephanie's on hold. Her score has been recorded, and it is your turn to defend the cash.
Yeah.
3-game winning streak in tow. It's your turn. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Don't let it
Yeah,
run
I
down.
am. Come on, man.
It begins in 3, 2, 1. What movie director played the Cook County Assessor's office clerk in The Blues Brothers?
Pass.
In 1992, Hurricane Andrew caused an estimated $30 billion in damage to what state?
Florida.
What metal is the Statue of Liberty's visible surface made of?
Brass.
Which team has already clinched a spot in the World Series?
The Astros.
Alan Shepard was the first American to what?
Walk on the Moon.
What movie
Wait.
director played the Cook County Assessor's office clerk in the film The Blues Brothers?
I guess I'm going to say. After that. Harold Ramis.
Time.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Joe, how did you do?
I don't think I did great at all.
Let us welcome back Stephanie.
Stupid.
Stupid. Joe was talking about himself. He wasn't just calling Stephanie.
No, as soon as
I took her off hold, Joe goes, stupid.
Stupid.
No. All right. Here we go.
I'd like to change one of my answers, please.
Neat.
Okay.
Me too. Can I change 2 of them?
Yeah, I would,
I'd like to change
I would
most
have,
of them,
I would
I
have too.
What movie director played the Cook County Assessor's office clerk in the film The Blues Brothers? Joe went with Harold Ramis. Stephanie went with James Cameron. Stephanie, who would you change it to?
Steven Spielberg.
That would have been correct.
That would have
Tied
been
at 0.
right. Joe, you're dead to me.
I remember the important parts.
I was so mad when he read that question. Like, why couldn't I have gotten that question? I got that one right.
In 1992, Hurricane Andrew caused an estimated $30 billion in damage to what state? Joe said Florida. Stephanie said North Carolina. The answer, Florida.
No.
Joe leads 1-0. What metal is the Statue of Liberty's visible surface made of? Joe said brass.
Yep.
So brassy.
Yeah, the fine
I-
patina
I-
of an
everybody-
aged brass.
Everybody comes to see the big tuba.
I didn't mean that. I did not mean that.
Stephanie went with copper.
Yeah.
Copper is correct. Tied at 1.
No, I would have got. Never mind. I'm fine
Yeah.
with that. Whatever.
Yeah.
What were you gonna say?
I meant bronze, but that was, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, same result.
Yep, exactly.
Which team has already clinched a spot in the World Series? Joe said the Houston Astros. Stephanie said the New York Yankees. Those two teams are playing each other to join the already there Washington Nationals. We stay tied at 1.
Ooh.
Alan Shepard was the first American to what? Joe said, walk on the moon.
Stupid.
So did Stephanie. That is incorrect.
First man in space.
First man in space, Joe.
I know. I knew it as soon as we moved on.
So the game is tied at 1 and we go to the clocks. This seems like it'll be close.
It does seem that way. I don't, based on no. Based on nothing. It just seems like it's going to be.
With a time of 57.83. That's Stephanie. Boy,
no.
imagine the disappointment
It would have been over. Yeah.
that somebody's going to have
Oh, no.
when they realize I haven't given the other time yet.
Oh, shoot.
You know what? But you don't know.
Okay.
It seems like that could be the winning time.
You don't.
is a joy.
You
Yeah.
don't know yet. Joe.
Said my name.
Joe had. I did. Joe had a time of 50 and
Nine?
1.
Oh, Stephanie.
Oh, so you know what? Even if you had won, I would have been, never would I have been so pleased to give anybody such a prize.
A paltry jackpot.
I'm just going to say that, but whatever. Stephanie, can you do me a favor and say turd burglar? I just
Turd
haven't.
burglar.
Say
a little more hype.
oomph. Yeah, a little.
Burglar.
I'm so disappointed. Turd burglar.
That's what I swear. That's all I could hear that whole time.
Stephanie, you're a joy. Welcome back to America.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks for playing. Hold on. Joe, congratulations. 4 in a row.
Thank you. What a stupid person I am. just a dumb guy.